Welcome to SeaDream Yacht Club, where we take luxury travel to new horizons. Journey with us on SeaDream 1 and SeaDream 2, our twin yachts designed to reach intimate ports, harbors, and yachting playgrounds. These are places larger ships can only dream of reaching. Every itinerary is carefully curated, ensuring you experience all the charm each specially selected port of call has to offer. Many of our itineraries feature overnight stays, allowing you to immerse yourself in the world's best yachting ports and harbors. Indulge in our 5-star luxury dining, a feast for both your palate and your eyes. Whether you seek a moment of tranquility in our library, a rejuvenating rest under the skies in our Balinese beds, or a delightful drink in our bar, SeaDream offers a world of indulgences. We believe in casual, modernized, and personalized luxury, an experience like no other. We don't just welcome you aboard, we build lasting relationships, looking forward to welcoming you back time and time again.